Dude, it is coming down for real. I had a couple new ones today I was gonna take care of.
Start smoking.
Alright, this is the one I did not too long ago. Did the bushes on with the Toro. Sprayed it. Let's see, it got rid of it. I'll show you some more. Right here. So. The spray seemed to work. Worked pretty good. Alright, now, if y'all was with me yesterday, for last video actually, you remember the grass was really brown. Now, look what all they're able to do today. Good and green. Take you around the back and check it out. You see how the back's looking. Nice and green. It's the first one. First one knocked down, man. And the video you guys seen, my last video, there was a lot of brown, burnt up yards. So we got a little rain from that day. Actually, that same day I shot that video, it rained, started raining that night. We got a heavy rain the next day through the morning, and then yesterday it stopped, so everything dried up all day and looks way better. Got a good and green. So my first one of the day. I got a few today, and I got a new one I got to take care of today. And actually the rain has put me back, so I was supposed to see her. Today's Wednesday. I was supposed to see her Monday. This property right here, I pulled up on Monday, and man, got the pouring down rain and cats and dogs out everywhere. So we're gonna get over here to the next one and just ride with it. All right, guys, the next one's the daycare. So The kids got stuff everywhere. See how that bush still look pretty good from when I did it. Hold on, gotta show you the street side. Yeah, how it is. The bushes still look pretty good. Did these when I first got the Toro. Like they growing just a little bit. Now on the back side of his office, I see how it looks. I'm gonna come in here and just spray this right here. Keeps coming up, so just spray it. Got this. You got the kids area where the kids play. The grass ain't been growing where the kids play. Probably can skip this one this time. So, but you see what I got back here? I got cars everywhere. So I think push more back here, get around it best I can. Yeah, it's been a little rainy, so now sun out, feeling great. Alright guys, I got this one done. I sprayed it. Probably see a little bit of it glistening on there. So I sprayed back here because I don't want to hit any rocks and hit none of these cars. You can see there's a whole bunch of cars back here. And you don't want to hit nothing. So I sprayed right there, left it alone. I'll come back next time and I'll clean up all this. So I don't want to hit none of these cars. So I'll come back next time when it's in the afternoon. And when I come back in the afternoon, won't nobody be here. And so then I can clean it up how I want to. So I'll give her a text in just a second. Just sprayed this off. Well, I just blew this off. Everything. You see how dry it is over here. See, you got a guy over there cutting. You see it's pretty dry over there. Got some brown over here. Hold on, let me show you. Now this looks right here. That lines up nice. Good. Yeah, look. You see right here. The grass is burnt up right there. So I didn't go as low. Hopefully we get some rain and it'll clean all that up. Show you again from this angle how it looks. All right, fellas, what you guys do when you got all this dry grass like I got? Now, if you go check out my last video, the video before this one, you can really see it. You see a lot of dry grass, burnt up grass. What you guys do, what you guys suggest? And that's one of the reasons why I want to try to get into doing the irrigation, so I could set up people's lawns and properties to where the grass is gonna get the proper water it needs and the proper nutrients it needs all year round. So that's one of the reasons I really want to get into the irrigation stuff, because if I knew how to set up the irrigation stuff, it'd be an extra service on my business. Also make my yards look way prettier, make them look better than a lot of the other yards you see. Now I'm trying to get over here and show you some with these coming up. I'm on the front side of the daycare now, and you see the back over here on this side. See how brown that is over there? I don't know if you can see that. And this is daycare. So it don't look that bad from the street, but that thing is dry as heck. So you guys got any suggestions on what to do when you got extra dry grass like that? Leave some comments. I love to know. I want to be able to add all the services that I can to my business and be getting billed all the way around. Just people just, you know, billing me and I'm collecting. So, but I'm about to go get some lunch, and you guys keep riding with me, and I'll let you check out my next one I pull up on. Give you some more footage. All right, I don't know if you guys ever seen me cut this one, but I got a complaint last time, and it wasn't from the lady whose yard I cut. And as you can see, this right here was a tree. This tree is fresh cut up. They just like literally cut this up maybe a couple days ago, so see how it looks. But when I was cutting maybe to right there, and they told me that I was doing it wrong. So now I have to go driveway to driveway, and me and her didn't know. It ain't nothing but a strip, so I told her I wouldn't charge her no more. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if she'll start letting me do these bushes, because you can see how those bushes look. Those things look crazy. And this neighborhood is usually, you see how many, I don't know if you guys can see, there's houses everywhere out here. These are a whole lot of 30 buck, 35 buck cuts. You might got a 40. That hill over there, if you can see it, you might can get more out of that one. But these are a bunch of small cookie cutter yards. See across the street how it looks. Take you back here to the backyard. This thing ain't that big at all. So, driveway to driveway, so I'll get it this time. See, this thing ain't big at all. I usually cut hers every week also. So it's a little small yard. Ain't nothing too big. Hold on, we'll go around this side so you can see me coming out this way. The estimate. Yeah, a little small yard, so nothing too big. Let me get to knocking this out. See how I got it looking. That thing looking good. And that's why I need to learn how to add services like tree cutting. Man, I could have cut that tree. That was a nice size tree. That would have easily been $1,000, man. Easy. Easy 1,000. So, walk around. Hold on. Let me shut my truck door, man. So, got it knocked out like I said, and I don't know if you guys can see all that brown stuff over in the neighbor's yard. Might have been why they reported my dang client. Shoot, they called the wrong person. They shouldn't have called the office. They should have called me to cut their yard. We already got it together. So, see how I got this thing knocked out, man. See how it's looking. Like I say, these are a bunch of small cookie cutter yards back here. And this lady, I've been cutting her since last year. I only met her one time. Sends the money, pays me. Never even talk to each other. Sends the money, pays me. It's back to the front of how it looks. So, thing looking good. Got it knocked out. Said I was gonna get something to cut before that. I mean, something to eat, something to cut, something to eat before that one. Look at these. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I know how good that's coming through the GoPro, but look at that. And had the nerve to call on me to the office talking about cut driveway to driveway. Tell you they should have called me instead of calling the office. I'd have had them looking good, and that would have killed all the jealousy and envy right there. Been cutting that thing, man, 2 years now, and they finally want to call and say cut driveway to driveway. It's kind of crazy. I got one over here. Oh my goodness, I just rolled by that one. I'm not even gonna show it. But when they call me, whew, it's about to get ugly over there. Yeah, you ready for this Labor Day weekend, man? You guys got any plans, man? Leave them down in the comments. You got any plans for Labor Day weekend? Let me know what you got going on. Me, I gotta go get the bouncy house ready. I got I got 4 bouncy house rentals between Thursday and Sunday. One of them not renting, one of them's donation. We got an event that we do with a group of guys I do, man. We feed about 500 to 1,000 people every year. We got that going on this year, so gotta get ready for that, man. I'm gonna go over here, get ready to show you this new one, but I got one, they just want to weed eat it before that, so I'm gonna do that one, and then I'll get to the new one. I'll show you guys the new one, but I'm gonna grab me something to eat before that, so holler at you in just a second. All right, this is my next one. On this one, I won't be doing nothing but trimming. Let's see, so we're gonna walk around it. Let's see what I need trimming. Go around this fence line. All inside of there. This right here. All that right there. Down there. Line this up. Nothing but trimming. Gonna be some down there, some down there, some around there. So, and I don't mind trimming this one. I'll do anything for this person right here. The yards are already cut, so they just want me to trim it. So I'll get it looking good. All right, got it trimmed. I'm glad I grabbed something to eat before that last one. It wasn't nothing but trimming. But man, excuse me, it takes a while to get that thing trimmed up. That thing it's just really detailed, put it like that. It takes me probably about 25 minutes to go around it. So, got it knocked out, man. It's about 2:30 right now. We'll go to this last one. got a brand new one I gotta try out. Well, I gotta knock out. Like I said, I was supposed to get to us since Monday, but the rain had threw us back. So I'm gonna get over here to this one, let you see what it look like, get it knocked out. All right, guys, it's my last one. It's a new one. Now, it was a beast getting up in this driveway. Trying to back that trailer up. Got a lot of sticks I gotta pick up. See, it ain't much grass at all. But we're gonna get these sticks out the way for sure. I see some sticks already down that way. Get all these sticks out the way, fellas. And we got a nice steep hill right here that I'm not gonna play with, so let's see how deep this hill goes down. You can see it up right there. So we can't play with that. That's got to be trimmed. He priced this job pretty nice too. Yeah. All these sticks out the way, man. See, I had to walk back up that thing. Ain't no joke. Let's set these right here for a sec. Go around here. Now, when it comes to winter time, this one might be a nice leaf job. See all that? Might be a nice leaf job right here. A whole lot of sticks. She don't want none of it cleaned up. She just wants the yard cut. So I'm gonna cut it up. Trim all around here. Get it nice looking. Blow some of these leaves back. Trim all up here. Get this. Get all back here too. So and I don't know about this, but we'll have to trim that too. So y'all see how it is. I always give you the walk down on the first one, but never the mow. So let me get it in. I'll get back with you in just a second. All right, guys, got it done. You see it. Now, it's gonna be a every 2 week yard, but look at this hill. Just look at this. I don't think the camera does it justice. Ugh. You see this hill right here. Thing ain't no joke. So, got that knocked out. That's a new one. And we're gonna call it a day, fellas. I'm out of here. You guys stay cool, stay hydrated, man. Holla at you in the next.